Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the P0671 error code, which points to an issue with the glow plug circuit in cylinder 1. If you've ever seen this code pop up on your OBD2 scanner, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's walk through the process of diagnosing and fixing the issue. The P0671 code specifically refers to the glow plug circuit for cylinder 1. Glow plugs are essential in diesel engines to preheat the air for combustion. When there's a problem with one of these plugs, the engine might struggle to start, especially in cold weather. Difficulty starting the engine, especially in cold weather. Rough idle or misfires after starting. A noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency. And of course, the check engine light being on. OBD2 scanner. Digital multimeter. Wrench set. Replacement glow plugs. Replacement relay. First, use your OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0671 code. This will help you ensure you're dealing with a glow plug circuit issue. Remove the battery and then use your digital multimeter to check each glow plug. Set the multimeter to the ohm setting and measure the resistance of each glow plug. A good glow plug typically has a resistance between 0.6 and 2 ohms. If the resistance is outside this range, replace the faulty glow plug. Next, locate the glow plug relay, usually found in the engine compartment. You can test it by switching it with a similar relay in the fuse box. Visually inspect the wiring connected to the glow plugs and relay for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you find any issues, repair or replace the wiring as needed. Once you've made the necessary repairs, reconnect the battery. Clear the P0671 code using your OBD2 scanner and start the engine. Monitor the engine to see if the code reappears. If the check engine light stays off, you've successfully fixed the issue. And that's it. You've now fixed the P0671 code and ensured your diesel engine is ready to start smoothly, even in cold weather. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.